Hi guys, today we are going to be making DIY slime with body wash, salt, and baking soda. Sorry for the lightning. I'm gonna get a new technology probably tomorrow or my birthday, which is next Tuesday, guys. Please say happy birthday in the comments. Okay, comment down below, share, like, and subscribe to the Torrencias. Well, the Sims family, really. We're the Sims, so with double M's. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make it. The first thing you're going to need is something to mix in. I'm using a mini top. Something to mix with, stir with, and these are two different ingredients in this little top here. This side of it is baking soda, and this side right here is salt. So you need baking soda and salt at the same time. And some lavender body wash. It's already jello-ish. And I have some hand soap behind y'all. So that's what you're going to be needing. I'm using soft soap, and it's not a jello-y type. So yeah. The first thing you do is open your lavender or any body wash. You're not even using shampoo for this, guys. So when people say that only works with two different shampoos or whatever, is lying, because I'm doing the same thing just with body wash. So my body wash is already like in a jello-y consistency, so it's like so slimy already. So you put some in. Just made a nasty noise, but okay. So after you're putting that in, you stir it for a little bit. So as you see, when I stir it, it like clumps up a little already, like that here. So it's see-through. It's kind of purplish, but yeah. So I'm using Fit to Squirt some soft soap in here. It's like a pearly color. So the soft soap is right in here already. Now what you're gonna do is mix those two together. And it'll still be in a jelly consistency. So the first thing you do is add 1 pinch, like, let me get the salt. Okay, the salt is on my finger, and then you pinch it in. Then you get your baking soda and pinch it in. 1 time only. And you're still going to need extra, so make sure you have extra left over. So when you mix, it'll start to clump. And guys, if it charges the water, just add more of your body wash than this jelly. Then you can then you get some of your salt, which is I'm pouring in now. It's kind of hard because salt is so small. So I'll try to pour it in. And I got some in, and now we're going to put our baking soda. So I put some baking soda in, and now you just mix. And guys, I'm going to show you what it looks like, what the other one that I just made not too long ago, what it looks like. So then sometimes you have to actually get the right slime texture, put it on a flat, like a counter or something that's flat, and stir it, and actually see if you can flip it. And that's how you know when your slime is finished. So guys, I'm going to show you how I can flip it, and I'm going to show you this one over here that's like already like done. And I made that one pearly because, yeah.
I know you already done these versions, but what?
What? My sister is kind of telling me something, but she forgot. But yeah, you mix it.
Oh, what time that rap game come
7 to 8 o'clock. Or 8 is something like, no, it's 8 to 9 o'clock.
What channel?
Oh, 108 Life. But yeah, let me show you guys how it can flip. So as you can see, it's right here. And as you see, I can flip it, toss it, turn it. It's like so fun. So now, guys, we're gonna go to our other one that I made earlier. So it's right. It's kind of already in the camera. You just can't see it. So when I start, oh, it's right in front of the camera, guys. Now you can see it when I started stirring. Let it get a little light. Okay, now it's already in the form of slime. So all you have to do is mix it until it all comes together. And when it comes together, you can actually take your utensil out and like flip it with your hand or have fun with it. Tap it, whatever. It's jello-y. So yeah. So you just, yeah, that's it, guys. It makes a noise if you tap it, but yeah. So that's it, and thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and comment down below what do you want me to do next. I probably will do another slime video, but it's most likely for me to do the Takis and the Hot Fugo challenge. I don't know yet, but I'm picking out of those two. So please stay in touch with me, and I will comment back to your comments. So yeah, bye guys. I hope you like this epic slime. You see that, guys? This is what I meant to show you. Like, it comes together and it's like slime right then and there. I made mine pearly because of my hand, so it's pearly. But thank you guys for watching, and that's it all for today. So bye.